I don't know how I'm gonna do this, a 2024 summer vlog, because it's already July 2nd, kind of in the middle-ish of summer, and I already came from Vegas. Game day, baby, game day. Good job, Mom. I'm just gonna compile it all together. It's gonna be like a compilation. Slash vlog. That's kind of where I'm referencing it. Slash whatever. Oh, Harry. Little diary, essentially. I'm crying right now. Vanessa fell on the stairs. And Taylor just texted us that her mom laughed because her mom in the room. Just like memories of my 2024. My attempt. I hope I continue to just keep recording. How's the blush? I went for more of an orange. That's my plan, and I wanted to record this, so I have it for later. Okay. Ew. It's July 2nd, 2024. I am about to head to LA on the 5th. On the 4th of July, I am going to be going to the quarterfinals of Copa America. Argentina versus Ecuador. It's gonna be fantastic. I'm so excited. Yeah, cool.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how much does your stomach hurt?
Stomach, go away, feel better. Make it hurt another day.
Right now, half of my team is at this event that we're covering, like a convention, and I'm flying in later. Yeah, it's exciting, it's stressful, and yeah, summer 2024, right? It's gonna be a great summer and a great year.
Don't record it.
I'm recording the shoes.
The shoes.
Whoa.
Crazy guy.
Your shirt, Mom. Yay.
You excited?
Stressed out. So, vlog. It's currently 1 a.m., 1:11 to be exact, 1:11. I have a flight that starts boarding at 4:50 a.m., so I basically have like an hour to sleep before I have to get ready. When I mean get ready, literally putting on full face makeup, because after I hop off the plane, I'm going straight into work. I just think I need to sleep at least an hour. Hey, didn't sleep. Tried to. Now I'm about to get up. We're gonna go to the airport. Wish me luck. I scratched the door. I scratched the door. Okay. This is nice. Ready? She was so sweet. You can see the convention center from my room. Hey! Look at all those people in line. Gorgine, no? Aliens. Whatnot. Gorgine. I'm so tired. It's like 8:20 something. I still have to pack. Checkout's at 11, but I should be out by 10. And I still need to shower and everything. My body's sore. My legs and feet are so sore. Insane. Checkout is complete. I'm gonna head to the convention center. My voice is still raspy. That's fine. I haven't been doing the best at vlogging, but bear with me. Also, Brazil lost yesterday and I was wearing my jersey. People came up to me asking about it and I had to say they lost. It's whatever, it's fine. It's fine. Because the way I just watched my last recording back and I look so tired. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right now. It's just like I've barely gotten any sleep on this trip. It's been a lot. Plus walking all day, my feet are just in pain every day. Body is sore from just moving, wearing my backpack. It's fine. It's fine. I'm happy though. It was a great convention. And it was a great time. But yeah, haven't been vlogging much. But whatever. What's up, you guys? It's 12 o'clock. Hurricane Beryl just came through. Not right through. We're like right at the corner, right, Mom? I've been in LA, as you all know, so I wasn't keeping up to date with the weather until like I had to fly back home, which I was nervous about, but smoothest flight I ever been on the weather app. It was supposed to be storming and thundering and lightning on my way to Houston. Alas, came in, everything's chill, and then waking up to no power. You can't see me. There's a hurricane right now, currently. Yeah. Everything is fine when you're standing in the eye of the hurricane. My throat fucked. It's like insane right now. It's hot and humid. We have the doors and windows open to circulate air. Our thermometer is broken outside. Plants are turned over. There's debris everywhere. Luckily, we're all safe and sound like that. Nothing in the house fell from the wind because like the windows were shaking. Supposedly 1.6 million people lost power. The wind speed is really high right now. And I'm assuming they also lost a lot of signal because my texts aren't really sending the bestest right now. Yeah, summertime. Summer 2024. Currently making some ramen. Still no electricity. It's boiling quite nicely. Shout out to Shin Ramen, sponsor me for ambiance.
Ooh! Scrumdiddly yum yum a purr.
The sun is setting. This is literally my POV of how the day's been going, just staring at the ceiling. Day 2, still no power, still no Wi-Fi. We got Chipotle and the sweet poutine.
Help
I park right there.
I'll walk you to your car.
No, you don't have to.
I'm a gentleman. What can I say?
You look blonde.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you do. Hey vlog, I just took a nap. And now my mom is coming to me with the melted coffee ice cream. We still don't have power and it's 4 o'clock basically.
Traffic lights are off too as we're driving, so it's been interesting.
Wild West. The way I was driving, right, and I said it's so dark.
Oh, no light, nothing.
And then I pull up to my house and I see light, knowing that the power is on and just came on like a minute ago, like perfect timing. We up. Just 2 days of no power or Wi-Fi.